In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot Agent Mode. Think of this as a quick tour that shows you where to find Agent Mode on GitHub, what it does, and how to understand its capabilities and availability so you can decide how it fits into your workflow. Start by opening your browser and heading to github.com. From the GitHub homepage, look for the Copilot entry in the product navigation. Click Copilot to jump into the Copilot area. This is where GitHub surfaces everything related to AI assistance, including the new agent experience. On the Copilot page, you may see a prominent highlight or banner. Click the highlighted section to bring focus to the latest information. If there's an important update callout, select it. These updates often summarize new capabilities and changes that impact how Agent Mode behaves and what you can expect in day-to-day use. Next, locate the Agent section and click Agent. This takes you into the part of the site dedicated to the Copilot Cloud Agent. You'll often see messaging like, Copilot Cloud Agent handles routine tasks, so you can focus on core work. Click that area to learn how the agent can take on repetitive actions, coordinate steps, and save you time on setup or boilerplate, while you stay in control of the higher-level decisions. From there, choose View Copilot Cloud Agent Capabilities. This page outlines what the agent can do, typical scenarios, and any current boundaries. It's a helpful way to set expectations and discover tasks the agent is especially good at, like orchestrating multi-step changes, drafting configurations, or summarizing issues. To go deeper, click About GitHub Copilot Cloud Agent. This opens the official documentation. Scan for sections covering scope, prerequisites, supported environments, and safety. You'll also find notes on how the agent interprets your requests and the guardrails in place. It's worth understanding these details so you can craft clearer prompts and know exactly how the agent will act on your behalf. Avoid sharing secrets or sensitive data in prompts. The docs explain best practices that keep your work safe and compliant. When you navigate back to the Copilot Agent page, you might see a message like Copilot Cloud Agent Access Unavailable for Plan. That simply means your current plan doesn't include the Cloud Agent yet. Availability can vary by plan type and organization settings, so this notice helps you confirm your status before you invest time exploring features you can't use immediately. Finally, click the spark icon when you see it associated with Copilot. This icon often indicates an entry point to agent features or previews, and it's a quick way to recognize where AI assistance is available in the interface. And that's the tour. You now know where to find Copilot Agent Mode, how to read its capability